In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can lower ping and fix lag here in GTA 5 Online. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing I would do is power cycle your home network. To do this, essentially just unplug your modem and your router for about 30 to 60 seconds. After that, go ahead and plug everything back in and wait for it to fully restart and then boot up GTA Online and see if there's any improvement. This is not a requirement, it's just something that I personally recommend doing. That being said, the next thing I would recommend doing is using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi, just because a wired connection is usually going to be a lot faster and a lot more stable. If you do need to use Wi-Fi, try moving your setup a little bit closer to your router so you do get a stronger signal. However, if you are playing on PC, you can also improve your connection by changing your DNS settings. To do this, essentially just go down in this search bar, open up your settings, and go ahead and select your network and internet section. And if you're on Ethernet, go ahead and select Ethernet. If you're on Wi-Fi, select Wi-Fi. I'm on Ethernet right now, so I'm going to select that. If you scroll down, you're going to see a DNS server assignment section. You can edit on this and change it from automatic to manual. And after doing this, tick these on. And essentially, what I would recommend doing is putting in the Google DNS first. And this is going to be this one right here. Go ahead and put 8.8.8.8 in here. And then for the alternate DNS, go ahead and put in 8.8.4.4. Save these settings, launch GTA Online, and your ping will improve. If that does not help though, try Cloudflare DNS instead. This is going to be 1.1.1.1, and then for the alternate DNS, go ahead and put in 1.0.0.1. Once again, save these settings, launch GTA 5 Online, and see if there's any improvement. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.